What's up guys, it's Shrek, and this is the Nerf Mega Tri-Break. Now this is the latest and greatest in the Nerf Mega line, and the Nerf Mega line is still going strong, incidentally. I am very excited about this. There were some decent offerings and one admittedly very poor offering in 2017, but what a great way to kick off the year for the Mega line than to give us a Mega Triad. Now it's oversized, it's awesome, and it's aggressive looking. That is probably the biggest benefit to this $15 blaster. Now, for $15 you get a Mega Triad, essentially. The Triad, of course, being the elite version that fires 3 darts via a Smart AR system. Now, it's a Jolt reskin, but it is effectively a Jolt in that it uses the Jolt-style priming mechanism of pulling down here, compressing a spring like this, and then using that to push air up and through. So why is it so big and so aggressively oversized? Well, that's because it's got a lot of extra plastic on the front. A lot. This is essentially the blaster, but this is the gimmick. And it looks great. Like, I really want to focus on how good this blaster looks. The combination of the white accenting and the black, like, aggressively industrial math is one of those things that is universal in its language, but the actual language of math can be tricky sometimes. Anyway, again, I always wish that there was deco on both sides, but at least they maintain the black paneling. This just looks very industrial, very oversized, and I can't look at a pistol from the Mega line with this kind of styling and not think Hellboy. Maybe you guys will disagree with me, but that's at least what it says to me. So let's get out the Mega Darts that it came with. I also have some Mega Darts that I got on sale actually the last time I was visiting Hasbro, and I brought those out as well so that we can do a full volley of testing. But the gimmick here is super duper cool. It's like a reloading kind of gimmick. It does make it easier to access these barrels, but the question is, like, why, unlike the Triad, isn't it just a front-loading pistol? And the answer is that action right there, the fact that this drops and this snaps back up into place, is just legitimately crazy cool. It's aggressive, it's dramatic, it's gonna look great in videos. Like, I think that this is gonna be a sweet villain gun for future joyful content, because it's not unlike the Desert Eagle in that it's an oversized, high caliber pistol that just looks really, really cool. So performance wise, hopefully it gets decent elite performance. The Big Shot gets solid performance. As always with these Smart AR systems, it's hard to say, but one of the barrels will fire better than the others. So let's go. That's pretty reasonable Mega performance. We're getting 70 like flat. Let's fire. And they keep curving, but that's 75 with an angle. And 80. So like some serious shots. Are they even claiming ranges? No, but I don't know. I love that these darts whistle. I really just love everything about them. They are really, really cool. The original FDL shot Mega Darts, because my friend Jesse agrees that Mega ammunition is super cool. Unfortunately, Mega ammunition is not universal, so we don't even have any Megas in the SCNC bin, and it's pretty expensive. Like, even on sale, I paid $3 for 10, which means that each dart is far, far more expensive than those penny darts that you can buy off of Amazon and Taobao and what have you. But that is pretty sweet. And then to reload, you just drop it down and back up. So for $15, this is only like twice the cost of a Triad, and you get to buy into the Mega ecosystem. It's pretty cool. There's lots of ways that I could see to modify this. You could modify it for Rival, which pretty much all Mega Blasters can do, albeit poorly. And there's really no need for that now that we have the Rival pistols and the Chronos and stuff, but just so sweet, so cool looking, and not super expensive. So a lot of Hasbro blasters have become very expensive recently, and this is still pretty expensive for what it is. Like $15 for a pistol is a lot. However, it's $15 for a very aggressive, very cool looking pistol. Wish I could control when my neighbors mowed, but I just can't. Performance out of this guy is solid, ranges are good, and it's hitting those ranges with heavy caliber darts. So this would be good for shield breaking if that's how your rounds work, or for special zombies for sure. But overall, I like it. There's not too much to say about it. It's a very simple blaster at a very fair price, and it's got good styling. Again, like, it would have cost them pennies to actually deco both sides, and the Mega Blasters are one of those lines that really benefit from a little bit of highlighting to break up their otherwise super Halloween paint job, which is something that I've used in the past but always kind of need some sort of highlighting. I usually use silver for my Halloween, and the white looks great. It just needs to be on both sides. But that's my review of the Mega Tri-Brake. Do you guys still think the Mega line is cool this far in? And then more to the point, would you pay $15 to have one of these? If you would, and you want to support the channel, I will link to the Mega Tri-Brake on Amazon in the description box below. Buying through that affiliate link always helps out the channel. And I mean, I don't even think that this one realistically needs a mod guide because it is a Smart AR system, and I don't want to minimize it because I think that the gimmick is the coolest part. However, if you guys can think of modifications to do to it, leave me that comment as well, and maybe if I like one, I'll take a stab at it. Get it? Stab at it? Because you gotta cut it up because it's a jolt. Anyway, as always, much love. Nerf on, Drek out.